Cameron Nash from NashMech, based out at Leeming Road, Grass Valley. Anything to do with mechanical we kind of cover, and then field service work as well. Main reason why we decided to get into doing hoses and stuff is, just so we could cover all bases for our customers and clients and all that. Just wanted to be one stop shop kind of thing. Yeah, and when you're out in remote areas that you're a couple hundred k's from anywhere that can do hoses, you can just do them there on the spot, ready to go. Client's happy, everyone's happy. So basically service most of Western Australia. Service in the mining, civil and agricultural industries, and then we do a bit for parks and wildlife as well with bushfires. Been doing that for 20 plus years. Currently got 4 field service utes running around at the moment. 2 of these trucks, 2 Land Cruisers, and we've got the 1 boa trailer. So we've had the boa trailer about 12 months now. It's been working real well for us. Just stops downtime issues and supply chain issues with trying to get them out of OEM, and just being able to make custom hoses and build them on the spot. Probably the biggest upside for us.